What's up everybody, welcome to the video. My name is Keith. Today's video we're going to be looking at an A1 3D printer and how to connect an AMS Lite to it so you can have multiple filament on the one printer. So jump over the printer and we'll have a look. So this is the printer here and this is the AMS Lite. Now the first thing to do is on the back of the printer there is some connections. So these two here, and this is where the AMS Lite connector actually goes in. So I'll just move this around just to show you. This is the cable here. You notice it's got 4 little holes and then the little clip on the bottom. And that is the way that it goes in, with the little clip on the bottom. Just plugs in there and that's it. You can use either of those to plug that in. So next step is you have to connect all of your PTFE tubes to the AMS Lite, and then those are going to go in here. So before we plug anything in with the filament, what you need to know is that there are 2 different lengths of cables for PTFE tubing. So there's 2 small and 2 longer ones. So when you have them next to each other for the length on that side, you notice that the other side 2 are much shorter than the others. So what you need to do is take the 2 longer ones and those go in the furthest away. So number 1 and 2 is the furthest away, so that needs that extra length when it's going across the bed to actually fit in. So obviously each AMS section is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the way that I like to do it is number 1 goes into the back left, so that's number 1. Then number 2, that goes into the next one down. Then number 3, just move that there. That goes into the 3rd one, and number 4 into number 4. Now that is your AMS connected up to that. And also a vital thing to do is this cable connector. This needs to go on to ensure that all the tubes and the cable are kept tidy and together. So on there, I don't know if you can see it, there's this one here which is slightly smaller. That one is for the black USB-C cable which goes on the top, so that connects on there, and then you just connect all of these around it. So I'll put 4 there, that one there, that one there, and that one there. And that basically holds all the cables together, so when it's moving they will all be held just like so and they won't get tangled up. And that's your AMS ready. Then all you have to do is, when you turn the printer on, just feed the filament in, that secures it, and that's it done. Hopefully you found that video useful. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. If there's any other questions about the AMS Lite and the A1 or the A1 Mini, then let me know in the comments below as well, and I'll do a video on that. But until next time, see ya.